one is cute, isn't he?
Yeah, you like those little kitties? Yeah. Look at this one.
I know, I found that. Look at this one. Look at this one I found. Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah.
I want to look at that one.
Aww.
He's so cute, isn't he? Look at this one. Is he cute?
Yeah.
Look at this one. They're cute, aren't they?
So you want one of those kitties?
I want this one. I want this one.
What would you do?
Take care of that one.
How?
Feed him and plant him and take care of him and feed him and play.
Would you give him hugs?
Yeah. And say goodnight to him.
Yeah. And cuddle?
Yeah. And stay on the couch and watch Treehouse and look at his toys, Mama.
Oh. What would you name your kitty?
Kitty Cat.
Oh, that's a good name. I love you. I love you.